All right, fam, we're back with another one. We're back in the house indoors for this video, but we are going to be making deer burgers. So you might have seen the video where we packaged this deer burger at my family's house, and I linked to that video right here or here, don't remember. Anyways, so I'm actually going to try out a new way of making deer burgers and then the way we've been making them. So currently, we have the deer burger, a mixing bowl. Our seasoning that we like to use is, so you can either like add a French onion soup mix, or we use like a minced onion, like a dried onion. Throw that in there, and then the bad boys, salt and pepper. And then, so the old way that we actually like to use is just in a George Foreman little panini press kind of grill. Like to throw the burger in there, cooks it really good from both sides, crisps it up, and then it kind of keeps all those juices there in the middle, not having to cook it too long on either side. And then the new way is going to be like the term I've seen used for it is like a smash burger, or like, I think of like Freddy's, the, what the heck is it called? But it's super tasty. It's just gonna be super small, thin patty. We're gonna throw some cheese on there, melt them both, and try them out that way. So we're gonna jump and we're gonna mix up the deer burger with some seasonings, and we'll jump to that right now. Booyah. Alrighty, so let's mix up this deer burger. Shake it down, and cut it open. Sometimes I let the juice out, extra juices in there, just a little bit. Flip it open. Boom shakalaka. Oh, I forgot one ingredient. Let's jump right back. All right, we're back. So one little ingredient we're gonna add is a beef bouillon cube. So I'm gonna heat up some water while we mix this up, and then melt this beef bouillon cube in it and mix it in with the rest of the ingredients. Alrighty, so while that's in the microwave, we're gonna mix up some dried onions. I kind of eyeball it. You'll probably go with about a half a cup. We're just gonna use our hands to make sure you wash your hands before you do this. So I guess this is actually, depending on how much onion you want to add, this is about 2 pounds of hamburger. If you like your stuff oniony, both me and my wife like it a little more on the onion side. So it's up to you, especially if you plan on putting onions on your burger. So that's all mixed up. All right, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Not a ton. We'll probably add some more to the actual, on top of the burgers. I usually don't add too much inside the burger meat. All right. So we got that burger meat all mixed up. We got our bouillon sauce coming out of the microwave. See, I try to use as little amount of water as I can. Let that kind of cool down. Create a little crater in here for it. Mix that in too. It's really hot. Just gives it a little more flavor, a little more moisture. So if you remember, we got 80% meat, deer meat in here, 20% or 10% beef fat, and then 10% pork fat. So we're gonna jump. Now that we got this all done, let me get the grill started, and we'll jump over there. All right, so we're back. We got the George Foreman heating up. Knox chewing on bun. We got the burger. So we'll make some patties real quick. This is our first way. Lights turned off. Roll it in a ball. Make it nice and flat. This one's kind of small, but perfect for Sophia. You can see that bad boy. Gonna toss it right in there. Leave it for a second. Make another one. Alrighty, so it's been about probably 4 minutes. This bad boy's ready to pop off. Perfect. Nice and crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. So we'll pop another one of these in there, and we'll keep them going. Alright, time to get this bad boy off. The other ones are down in here, staying warm. Delicious. A little glimpse. So just turned off the grill. We're gonna jump over here with these bad boys and try and make some of these smash burgers. Let's get to it. All right, I'm gonna kind of just walk through the first one. Jump over here, grab my cooking spray. So I've been heating up the pan for a second. One technique I read was to get the pan as hot as you can. So I've heated up the pan. I think it's still going. So we will jump to when it's super hot in just a minute. So as it's heating up real quick, I'll just say I made some balls of hamburger meat, and then one technique they mentioned was to not pack them, to kind of loosen it, so when you do press it down, that it can kind of disperse easily and brown around all the different creases and crevices that the fat's holding in right now. And then we don't have slices of cheese, so we got our Mexican blend. And then my tools, I got my spatula, and then the video I watched, he had another spatula to kind of like push it down. So we got this to push the meat down, get it super thin, and then it's gonna be so tasty. Let's get one going. So we'll put that down there, sizzle, sizzle. Smash it down. Oh, I should have sprayed the spatula maybe. That's pretty thin, but not as thin as I wanted it to be. Get that cooking. Spray the back of the spatula a little bit. And these ones will be cooking a lot faster than those other ones. Nothing fancy here, folks. A little cheese on there to melt that. And just like that, the cheese hasn't completely melted, but here in the aluminum foil, it'll melt right up and cook it like a little oven in there. We'll just keep going from here. We got 6 more. Let's go. Boom, just like that, the burgers are done and ready to eat. You know, you can put whatever you like on them. One burger bun that we like to use is these sandwich thins. They're so good because you're not eating a bun with your hamburger. I mean, you are eating a bun with your hamburger, but you know when you get those white buns that are like an inch thick on either side and you're all full because you just ate, you know, this loaf of bread, but now you got these sandwich thins on this delicious, I'm so excited for these smash style burgers. You're gonna get some lettuce, tomato, a little bit of onion. You know, we already got that mixed in there, so it's super good. Ketchup, barbecue, whatever you want to put on it, you know, you got it. And that's how we make our deer burgers around here. Hope you guys learned something. Hopefully you involve it in your baking or cooking. And we'll catch you next time. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. First bite. Had to jump on here real quick. The smash burger is super crispy, super juicy, all the goods. Definitely recommend. I also recommend liking, subscribing the video for the algorithm and for more videos like this. We'll be getting outdoors soon. Starting to warm up actually. Even though I think there's gonna be a bunch of snow, I don't know. We'll see. It's too cold outside, but we'll catch you next time. See ya.